This week we've been talking about fretting corrosion, and a common question that comes into this for us academics out there is what's the difference between fretting corrosion and pitting corrosion? On the surface, they look fairly similar. And it's a very good question. Fretting corrosion, it's in the act of how you get the actual corrosion. So in fretting corrosion, you have two pieces of material oscillating very, very quickly against each other, exposing the root material. So they're sort of scratching at each other. Pitting, on the other hand, is a very different type of mechanism. In pitting corrosion, you actually have small pits that form whatever way they form. Environmental, someone hits it with a chisel, who knows what happens. But basically, you get a few of these little craters forming, and then they themselves start to corrode and leak into the root of the material. And the key thing to remember here, fretting versus pitting. Fretting involves an oscillating movement. So this is when something's under load and it's vibrating very, very quickly, micro vibrations, so small as in we could be moving at 25 microns in a very, very short range. That is fretting corrosion versus pitting, which is mostly due to the environment that the material's in and possibly surface coatings not being applied correctly.